Moisture and mold are among the most common problems in many homes. Mold is not only a visual imperfection, but it can also seriously threaten your health and the structure of your home. These tiny yet persistent microorganisms thrive where moisture prevails, damaging wall paint and wooden surfaces. The situation becomes even worse when the space lacks sufficient light or ventilation. People suffering from allergies or asthma are especially at risk. But don't worry. Today I will present to you a natural and very effective way to permanently get rid of mold in your home. Before I reveal the key ingredients for this natural solution, here are a few tips that will help you reduce mold growth and protect your health. If the walls are already damp, use a dehumidifier to reduce humidity. At the end of the video, I will also show you a simple way to make a homemade moisture absorber. Regularly open windows to improve air circulation and prevent moisture buildup. Fans in the kitchen and bathroom also help reduce humidity caused by cooking or showering. Avoid placing furniture too close to the walls so that air can circulate freely. Now I will show you two of the most effective natural methods to fight mold and moisture. The first remedy removes existing mold, while the second works to reduce humidity and prevent the fungi from returning. For light-colored walls, mix 200 milliliters of lemon juice, 100 milliliters of water, and half a tablespoon of garlic powder. For darker walls, add a tablespoon of ground cloves. I will combine both ingredients to make the solution stronger. Leave the mixture for a few hours so the ingredients can blend, then strain it through gauze for easy spraying. This way, you have prepared a powerful natural antifungal solution. Lemon acts as an antibacterial agent and helps remove fungi. Cloves contain eugenol, which prevents mold growth and leaves a pleasant scent, while garlic, rich in antioxidants, further enhances the antifungal effect. Fill a spray bottle and apply it to the walls. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wipe with a cloth. Now I will show you how to reduce moisture in a room, which will prevent mold in the long term. Place rice or salt in a bowl and add cloves and bay leaves. Rice and salt absorb moisture and reduce the risk of mold and unpleasant odors. Cloves and bay leaves not only help regulate humidity, but also enrich the space with a pleasant aroma. But that's not all. These ingredients also repel mosquitoes, moths, and other insects. Of course, if you have the money, you can buy a dehumidifier, but this way we save money. Place such bowls in the rooms where you notice moisture. Dear friends, please share this video with others so we can help as many people as possible. Mold can be a serious threat, so it's important that we all take care of our health. Thank you for your support and goodbye.